a brave otter with the heart and bite of a lion. Meet Opel. Opel was rescued off the coast of San Luis Obispo at only 3 weeks old and was deemed unreleasable by the U.S. Department of Fish and Wildlife. She was rehabilitated and raised behind the scenes at Monterey Bay Aquarium for a year before her debut on exhibit. Opel quickly and confidently grew into her sparkly name. But there was one challenge in her initial introduction: her destructive bite. Southern sea otters have baby teeth that fall out just like ours do. But their new adult teeth grow in super sharp before they're worn down by shell cracking and snacking. As a youngster with fresh new pearly whites, Opel chewed right through the older otter's enrichment toys. Our mammalogists adapted and switched to stronger toys designed to withstand the jaws of big cats like lions and tigers. Despite her big bite, Opel is a seamless social fit for her raft, learning from her fellow otters with boundless eagerness and energy. She embraces life with her arms wide open, literally. When it's feeding time, Opel stretches her arms as far as she can to make sure she catches as many snacks as possible. May we all embrace life with Opel's courage, curiosity, and charm. Way to go, little gem.